The State Department of Health is encouraging more African Americans to get vaccinated against COVID-19. So far, only 15% of COVID-19 vaccines have gone to African Americans. As WCBI's ALLIE Martin reports, key members of the Black community are now hoping to change that trend.
Bishop Clarence Parks is pastor of the Temple of Compassion and Deliverance. He's also a well-respected leader in the African American community. He is encouraging members of that community to get the COVID-19 vaccine, but he says there are a lot of hurdles to overcome.
There need to be some type of means or some type of structure set up so people can get the information out there.
Pastor Parks knows about the impact of COVID-19 not only on his congregation, but in his personal life. His mother passed away last April after contracting the virus. So, when the vaccine was approved and became available, he began encouraging people to sign up.
We prayed for God to do something as Christians, and we prayed for God to do something in a speedy way. And then he downloaded in the minds of people that went to school and studied science, and they came up with a vaccine, and then some people saying it's too quick. But you cannot put a time limit on God.
When Pastor Parks heard about the low percentage of African Americans getting the vaccine, he decided to bring other pastors and community leaders together for an informal discussion about what can be done to reverse that trend. Pastor Jessie Gilmore says there are other factors that keep people from getting the vaccine.
We're also concerned about those that cannot get access to the vaccine. We have been trying for 3 weeks to get some senior citizens in our community the vaccine. Well, after trying so long, guess what happened? Everybody in the household, and this is a real story, now has COVID.
Cecilia Griffin lost her mother to COVID-19 back in November. She says there are other obstacles people face when trying to schedule the vaccine. Griffin says it took her 6 hours to schedule vaccines online for herself, her husband, and a nephew. She also says those without reliable internet access face an even bigger barrier.
We have people in the area that don't have internet access or don't know how to access the internet to schedule the vaccine. So we need a faster system.
During his State of the State address on Tuesday, Governor Tate Reeves said there are plans for more drive-through vaccination sites throughout the state. And as those plans progress, African American pastors and community leaders say they hope to have a voice in the process. In Tupelo, ALLIE Martin, WCBI News.